In a world racing towards change, energy must do more than power cities. It must power progress. At Sembcorp, we are committed to delivering reliable energy while supporting Singapore's transition to a more sustainable, low-carbon future. As Asia's leading energy player and urban solutions provider, we have been driving Singapore's transformation for over 25 years, meeting the nation's evolving needs every step of the way. Our diversified energy portfolio contributes to energy security and supports our nation's green ambitions. But the future isn't built by systems alone. It's built by people, driven by purpose, passion, and a shared vision for a better tomorrow. With every innovation and every connection, we are honored to play our part in powering Singapore's growth. Sembcorp, driving the energy transition.